Hello everyone, welcome to AS online class and this is Narendra, and today we will discuss the boards and streams and followed by few questions on number series. So, let us begin here without wasting the time. The very first question on your board is this. So, 5 or 6 questions or 7 questions we will discuss from boards and stream and then followed by a number series. So, I will read the question and then it will be your time 30 seconds. Okay. So, look at this one. The ratio of the boat in still water and the speed of current are in the ratio of 10:1. Next, the ratio of time taken by the boat to cover d kilometer downstream and the time taken by boat to cover d plus minus 45 kilometer upstream. So, the downstream to upstream time taken and the distance is different. The distance in the first case downstream is d and the upstream is d. Is it upstream? Yes, upstream is d minus 45. Now, the question is what is the value of d? Think of it, my dear friends, how to answer the question, and then I will give 30 seconds for you. Very good evening, Mr. Aman. When Aman is there, it is very difficult for other people. Mr. Pandu, very good evening, sir. Very good evening. And show is very good evening, Anusha. And try to answer the question. No one will be there in the board who can defeat Aman. I give 30 seconds for you from here onwards, and the Pandu, oh my God, Pandu is there. Very good, sir, very good. Pandu is there who answered the question. He says 99 is the answer. 99, option choice 3. That means the Pandu knows how to arrange this ratio and this ratio. He has already there in the mind. It is very good, very good. And Pandu for you. Okay, very good evening, my dear friend. So, Aman, you have the tough competitor, Mr. Pandu. Okay, now let me check the answer, check the solution, and we will see whether Pandu is correct or not. Here, can I see that the distance by the speed of current is given to us, the speed of boat and speed of current. So, can I take the speed of boat as 10x and the speed of current as x? Then what happens is my downstream speed will be, the first is downstream. So, downstream speed will be 10x plus x, that is 11x, and what will be my upstream speed? That will be 10x minus x, that is 9x. So, the time ratio is given to us. So, I think the Pandu has rightly catched it. What he did is the distance by speed, which is nothing but time. So, in this case it is downstream, that is 11 by x. So, he might have done this one d by 11x by d minus 45, that is d minus 45, the distance by speed, and in this case it is upstream and the upstream speed is 9x, which is equal to the time ratio is given to us, which is 3:2. So, instead of writing this one, when I reverse this one, it will become 9x by d minus 45. So, I will keep it in mind right from the very beginning, not writing in this way. So, into I will write down the 9x by d minus 45, that will reduce my time, and which is equal to 3/2. and the rest part Pandu, the moment you have put this equation, the Pandu might have cancelled this one, noticing that what happens over here, the x gets cancelled, x and x gets cancelled, and with 3 this gets cancelled how many times? 3 times. Okay. So, 2 into 3, that is 6d. He might have written this one, that is the reason so quickly answer the question. 6d is equal to, so here I left with 11, 11d minus that is 5, 9 and 4, 495. When I cancel this this part, then I got that 5d is equal to, is it 5d? Yeah, 5d is equal to 945. So, what is d? So, he must have done this way, therefore, he has so nicely with accurate and speed he answered the question. With 5 this gets cancelled, that is 5 9 is 45 and 5 9 is 45. So, what is d? D is equal to 99. Well done my dear sir, Mr. Pandu. With a kind of speed and accuracy you answer the question, that is very good, very good. Shall I move on to the next? Aman, answer the question. Aman, my dear friend, answer the question. Anusha, answer it. Okay, well done. Moving on to the next one. After 6 or 7 questions, we will move on to the number series. Okay. Now, this is your question, and Pandu has very clear about how to approach the boards and stream, and I noticed, Mr. Pandu, that you are good in every chapter of arithmetic. So, make sure that you are also good in the reasoning, data interpretation and English, right. Okay. A person rows boat 12 kilometer per hour. So, I will consider the speed of the boat, I will consider the speed of the boat as x and speed of stream as y. So, whenever I am writing, please understand that the x represents speed of the boat and the y represents speed of the stream. Okay. Let us move on. In still water, it takes 7 hours 28 minutes, that is 28 by 60, this gets cancelled 7 times, this gets cancelled with 4, 15 times, 15 into 7, and that comes 105, 105 plus 7, 112. So, this is another way, 112 by 15 hours, yes, 112 by 15 hours to row from x to y and return to x, that means x to y and coming back, fine. So, if the speed of the stream is 3 kilometer per hour, so I have the speed of the boat which is x and speed of the stream which is y. Then what is the distance between x to y? Come on, I am sure the Pandu will answer this question. I am giving 30 seconds to think about it. Come on. Aman, 42. Oh my God! This time Aman thought that to defeat Pandu. Okay, it's good. It's good, sir. It's very hard to defeat Aman in every area. Let it be reasoning, let it be quant. So, I am just waiting the time to be over, Mr. Aman. Pandu is also said 42. So, there is no point of waiting further. So, what I am going to do is, I know the total time. If I can find out the average speed into total time, I will get the total distance x to y and y to x. Average speed into time is the total distance. So, I need the distance. So, the total distance divided by 2. But before that, what is the average speed? So, average speed is 12 2ab by a plus b. So, that is 12 plus 3, which is 15. So, 2 into 15 and the other side speed is 12 minus 3, that comes 9. 2ab by a plus b, 15 plus 9, which is 24. This is what the average speed is. And what is the time taken? So, the time taken is 112 by 15. This is what the total time is. So, average speed into total time is the total distance, that is 2d, x to y and y to x. So, in order to get the d, I need to divide this by 2. Now, your answer is ready, which you have already did it. So, so good to notice this one, that is 15, 15 gets cancelled over here. So, with 3 times and this is with 3 8 times. So, the 8 will get cancelled, with 2 4 times, and I notice that 4, so this is 3, right. With 4 this number is going to get cancelled over here, and how many times with 4? 4 2 is 8, 4 8, and I will cancel this part, that is 14, and 14 3 is nothing but 42. So, beautifully answer the question, both of you. It is a practice for you, because I know that you know how to answer the question, right. Moving on to the next question, and when comes the number series, I also want to check whether how comfortable you are. Now, here is the question: a man rowing a boat takes 2 hours 24 minutes. So, 24 by 60, that is 2 by with 12, 2 by 5. So, that comes 2 by 5, 5 to 10, 12, 12 by 5 hours, in other word I notice it. So, more to travel 54 kilometer upstream. Okay, a man rows a boat to takes 12 by 5 hours more to travel 54 kilometer upstream than to travel the same distance downstream. This is the mainstream question, very stereotypic. If the speed of the stream is 3 kilometer per hour, I consider the speed of the stream as y. What is the speed of the boat in still water? I consider the speed of the boat as x. Let us answer the question, and I will give you the different method after that. So, let me check. It will take a few seconds to answer the question. I know that it will take close to 45 seconds or so to answer this particular question. I mentioned here x I am taking the speed of the boat, y I am taking a speed of the stream throughout the class. Oh my God, Aman is saying 12 kilometer per hour. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Let me check that. Anyone can come closer to Aman? Aman, you have done so much of practice that your understanding and speed is just flowing like water. Okay, did I give the 30-second time? Okay, from here onwards take the 30-second. Some of you must be trying it, how to answer this question. The general method we know. I will consider the distance as d, and that is the speed of a stream is 3 kilometer, and the speed of boat is x. So, most of you must be trying in this method. The distance is already known to us, that is 54 by upstream time, upstream speed, that is x minus y, that is x minus 3 and minus of 54 by x plus 3, and which is equal to nothing but how much is that, 12 by 5. So, most of you might have done this method. Even I do not know what method Aman has followed, But if the question is like this, you always can have a formula using this one. Mr. Aman, I do not know whether you know it or not, but your speed is so good. What is that delta t, the difference of time which is given to us? It is a stereotypic question, so there is a shortcut for that. So, distance into 2y, 2 times of the speed of current divided by the speed of square of the speed of boat. Speed of boat will always be greater than the speed of stream. So, minus square of speed of stream. There is direct formula. So, if that question comes, then I will directly be moving that the difference of time is nothing but 12 by 5. Look at this one, 12 by 5, the delta t 12 by 5, which is equal to the distance given to us is 54 and y is 3, 2 times of y, 2 into 3 by that is x square minus y square, y is 3, so that is 9. That is all. And from here onwards you see that cancellation part. So, once you wrote this one, I am very happy to notice that the Aman has did 2 times over here. So, this gets cancelled 27 times over here, 27 into 5, that is 135. So, x square is x square minus 9 is equal to 135. Then what is x square? So, 135 plus 9, which is 144. So, x square is equal to 144. So, obviously, x is equal to 12, and what is x? Speed of boat. And I notice that Aman has rightly answered the question, and so is Pandu. Well done. Both are tough competitors to each other. Well done, well done. So, I am moving on to the next. Please, if you can take the screenshot of this formula, the questions like this is very frequent question, very normal question. You will get this type of question in all the books. So, for standard question, we have the standard formulas. Moving on to the next, which is this. Come on. So, let me read the question, and I will see between Aman and Prabhu who answers first. That is, a boat can travel 6.5 kilometer upstream, upper arrow, in 48 minutes. Okay. If the ratio of the speed of stream to speed of boat is 1:5. So, this is x, then this is 5x. We know the downstream will be 4x and upstream will be, I am sorry, downstream will be 6x. Downstream will be 6x and upstream will be 4x. I am understanding that part. I do not know what the next is. How much time will the boat take to cover 7.5 kilometer downstream? For the people like Pandu and Aman, I think it is a very normal question for them, and they will answer the question in a very reasonable time. Come on. Look at Aman already answered it. 36 minutes, 36 minutes. Wow. What a what a answer. I don't Pandu, 36 minutes, 36 minutes. You people are so well prepared for the examination. I really proud of both of you, and I don't know about the rest of the people's preparation, but with the speed and accuracy you two people are answering for every chapter, it's really great. Let's move on to the answer part over here. So, what is x minus y? So, x minus y, I know the distance, it is upstream, right. So, this is x minus y, where x is the speed of the boat, y is speed of current. So, which I can find out 6.4 divided by 48 minutes, which is nothing but 4 by 5 hours. So, that is 4 by 5, that is 16, 5, 80, that comes 8. So, x minus y is 8 and I know that how much is that 4x, x minus y, that 4x is equal to 8, then x is equal to 4, and you also get that y which is there. No, what is x is equal to 4. So, if x is equal to 4, then am I right over here? Okay, 4x is equal to 8, then this x is equal to 4. Done. Capital X you can consider, which is equal to not 4, that is 2. Okay. Okay. Just let me clear this one. So, that is 8. So, that is 4x is equal to 8, 4x is equal to 8, therefore, x is equal to 2. Then these speeds are, this is 4 and this is 4, 5, that comes 20 I think. 4x that is 2, okay. I am writing the wrong number over here. So, this is 2 and this is 10, and once I get this one, you know how to find out the time taken to travel downstream, 7.2. So, well done my dear friends. 7.2 divided by, that is we are talking about the downstream, and the downstream, upstream or downstream, to cover down. So, that is 10 minus 2 which comes 10 plus 2 which is come 12, and as I am getting less than 1 hour, so I will multiply this by 60, right. Here it is 6, 6, 36. So, you answer the question with the least possible taken time. Well done my dear friends. I am moving on to the next question, and look at this. You do not get much difficult question in the board science stream. So, I have taken the limited question from board science stream. Come on, both of you get ready. Aman and Prabhu has given tough competition, right. The rest of people are watching, they must be learning it. A man can row a distance of 900 meters against the stream, that means upstream, and in 12 minutes, and returns to the starting point in 9 minutes. What is the speed of the man in still water? So, I just have to find out x. So, it is a very stereotypic and easy question. So, I give the 30 seconds for you. Those who have a practice, for them it must be the easy question. Now, answer it. In the previous question, the Aman and Prabhu has said 36 within a very reasonable time. The Aman always overtakes the other. Look at this one. Here also the Aman has answered 5 1 by 4. I do not know what the magic Aman does. I think I should learn from Aman, right. Doing well my dear friend. So, still time is there. Okay. The time is over here. Now, let me see what is the best way to answer the question here. So, a man can travel a distance of 900 against the stream, that is upstream, x minus y. So, what is that? I know the distance and I know the time. So, can I find out? Finally, I need the speed in kilometer per hour. So, I will convert this into kilometer per hour, that is 900 divided by 12. Let me take first in meter per second. Okay. So, here it comes, will it be 75? Okay, 75 meter per minute, per minutes, because I have taken the minute over here. And what is x plus y? Do I know? 9 minutes, the same distance. So, x plus y, that is 900 divided by 9. I do not need to write down this one because I already noticed that 900 divided by 900. Why should I write this in the examination? So, that is meter per minute. Okay, this is done. So, what I need to find out. So, what is the speed of the man in still water? The speed of the man in still water, when I know the downstream speed, upstream speed, and when I know the downstream speed, then what will be the speed of the boat? Sum divided by 2. What will be the speed of stream? Speed of current, difference divided by 2. So, as I need to find out the speed of boat, the sum 175 divided by 2. So, let us take this one as 175 divided by 2. This is the speed of the boat in meters per second. So, per minute, I need the kilometer per hour. So, I will multiply this by 60, and this is meter, I need in kilometer per hour. So, meter divided by 1000, I will be getting the kilometer per hour. So, nicely answer the question. Let me see that Prabhu is also answer the question, and he says option choice 3. So, it is a practice for you. You are not learning anything, you already know how to respond all these questions, and I am very happy to notice this. So, let me cancel this one. So, with 25, this is 7 times, and this is 40 times. So, this is 3 by 2 over here, and 7 3 is 21, 21 divided by 4, that is 5 1 by 4. So, beautifully answer the question 5 1 by 4, option choice 3. Well done, good speed, good understanding. Moving on to the next, and I think after this you have the number series. Okay. So, let me see that a man rows a place 35 kilometer distance and back in 10.5 hours. Okay. He found that he could row 5 kilometer with the stream, and the same time, this is a very important point, same time he can travel 4 kilometer against the stream, upstream. Now, find the ratio of the flow of the stream, rate of the flow of the stream, that means y. Yes friends, get ready and take your 30 second. Till 30 second I will be silent. Some of you are getting exposed with a new question. Prabhu has rightly said option 3 in the previous question. Other people who are watching, just do not get panic. One day you will also be able to compete with Aman, compete with Prabhu. Okay. So, a day will come. These people have good practice. Look at this one, the Aman has answered it 0.75 kilometer, saying that option choice 3. How fast he might have done this one. Okay. In the meanwhile, you people please try this, and I am answering the question here, that is 35. First I will use this equation, because there is a specific equation is given. He found that he can travel 5 kilometer with the stream, along with the stream is upstream, and the same time he can travel 4 kilometer against the stream, that is with the stream. So, with the stream this is downstream, with the stream this is downstream, and against the stream this is upstream. So, that means the equation forms in this way, that is 5 by, there is 5 by downstream x plus y. So, x plus y, which is equal to 4 by x minus y. So, look at this one, what happens over here when I multiply this part with 5. So, this has become 5x minus 5y, which is equal to, when I multiply this y over here, then 4x plus 4y, and you notice that over here I am getting one equation here, the xx. So, 5x 4x, x is left 9, 9y, we got this part. So, x is equal to 9y, that is the ratio of x and y I am getting here. Now, I will go with this part, that is how much, 35 kilometer. So, that is 35 kilometer, he goes and comes back. So, once downstream, the other upstream. So, the downstream is 10x and 35 10y. Why not to take, I need the stream. So, take this in y, it can't be 10 x, it is y, and here it is 9 minus 8y. Am I right, Aman? Which is equal to the time, that is 21 by 2. Now, you are getting the y value, but while you are working on, during the practice, you please notice this part, that this gets cancelled with 7 3 times, with 7 5 times, with 7 5 times. This is getting cancelled here, this is 4 times and this is 5 times, and 5 5 is getting cancelled. That means, finally, you are getting this one as 1 by y plus, that is 5 by y, which is nothing but 3 by 2. By solving this, you are getting the y value, because 6 is that 4y? Yeah, this is 4y. So, your LCM is 4y and 4 plus 5, that is 9. So, 9 by 4y, and 9 gets cancelled by 3. So, 3 by 4y is equal to 2. Can I write down this one? That is how much is that? This comes 6 with 2, that gets cancelled. So, I am getting the y is equal to 9 by 12, which is nothing but 3 by 4 by solving this equation, and 3 by 4 is how many, find the rate of the flow. So, that is 0.75. This much is done by Aman within no time, So is the Pandu answer the question. Both of you are extremely competitive. The moment you understood that I have the equation over here, left and right hand side, so I can convert the x in terms of y, y in terms of x, and once I know that, the total time is given to us. So, that is 35 by downstream plus 35 by upstream is equal to time is given, and solving the equation you get the answer. Well done, my dear friends. I am moving on to the next one. Let me see that, I think in the boats and stream, this is the last question. Okay. The speed of the boat in still water, that is x, is given to us, 6 km per hour. Time taken by the boat to cover a certain distance upstream is 3 hours more than the time taken to cover the same distance downstream. So, the time difference of upstream and downstream is 3 hours. Okay. If the speed of a stream is 2 km per hour, what is the total distance of upstream and downstream covered by the boat? Will you please answer the question? I think you people are comfortable over here, because I know the x value is 6 and the y value, speed of the stream, which is 2. These two are given to us. How will you answer this question? Come on, friends, I am sure you will be able to answer the question. The next question will be Next question onwards, 6, 7 or 8 questions of number series. Anyone answered it? Aman, I want to be your student. You are so good, you are so good in every chapter. I do not know how good you are in English. Without the support of English, you cannot qualify. You have to be equally good in the English. So, you have to be equally good in puzzle solving and reasoning. Okay. I was just waiting for Pandu to answer the question, and a day will come when Pandu will defeat you, Mr. Aman. Anyhow, let us come to the question over here, and what is that question is all about. That is, I do not know what the distance is, that is what I need to find it out. That is d, and d by, you know that d by 4, d by 8, d by 8 minus, so this value will be less. So, I need to write down d by 4, 6 minus 2, 4, greater value and d by 8, and which is given to us as how much is the time difference? 3 hours more. This is 3. So, you get the distance here. Okay. Let me complete this one. I am getting the 8 over here, 2d minus d, which is nothing but d, which is equal to 3. So, therefore, d is equal to 8 3, which is 24. So, this is the simplest possible question can be formed in boards and stream. I think my friend Mr. Pandu Babu has answered this question. Let me just, some advertisement is playing, just a minute, let me see. Okay, okay, Aman, sir, I have learned from you why I am able to, that is the reason you are able to. No, Aman, yeah, the student is better than teacher here, you are very, very good. Number series, come on, here number series. Now, let us check this numbers flow, we will notice 28, 180, 233, 509 and 692. This is the clue. In the exam, this will give us a clue saying that it is a addition from 500 to 600, 700, close to that. So, this is your area where you get the clue that it is a addition, and from that onwards you can follow it. Take your 30 second and answer the question. Here is your 30 second display. Yeah, come on my friends, come on. Try this, you know, number series is there in the banking. When it comes to banking, 5 questions directly, not 4, not 6, 5. When it comes to RRB, SSC, 2 questions or 3 questions. Oh, 892, Mr. Aman, 892. Can others see that the speed matters? Pandu also equally answered the question with the same accuracy and time. So, let me check that whether this is right or not. So, I found that this is giving me the clue that it should be addition over here. So, I noticed that this is 3 and 9 plus 3, 12, carry 1, and this is 8 and 1. This difference gives us 183. Okay. And what is the difference from year to year? It is 230, 170. 170. From year to year, what is the difference I get here? So, this is 9 over here, and I know that this is 5 and 1, 159. And over here, that is, if I take out 30, then 52, 150, and another add to 152. So, okay. So, now I will go for the difference of difference. From here to here, there is a difference of 7 plus 7, and from here to here the difference is plus 11, and from here to here the difference is plus 13. I am clearly understanding that after 7 9 is not there, that means I am moving on to the prime number. So, you beautifully answer the question. So, let us go for the next number, not 15, but 17 over here, prime number. So, that comes 200. When I add 200 to this one, it has become 892. So, you people have rightly answered it, 892. Well done, sir. Well done. The next question on your board is this. Look at the flow. 131, 138, 159, 154. I will straightway go for the addition, the difference, okay, because the difference between one number to other number is small. Your 30 seconds start now, and I know that you people do not need 30 seconds. Aman and Prabhu do not need 30 seconds to answer this question. Come on. You people are so fast, I am so happy that you join, and Aman answered it. 243 he says, 243. Option 4, Anusha answered it. I think the Anusha is good in number system, number series. Pandu answer this question. Okay. Pandu Babu has also answered the question. What I am noticing over here. So, I see the difference from here to here, 7 is the difference, from here to here, that is 1, and 221 is there, from here to here, that is 5, and 4 is there, from here to here I do not know, here to here I do not know, but what I notice is it 45? It is 35. Okay, it is 35. So, I notice that all are multiple of 7, which Aman has noticed, Anusha has noticed, Prabhu has noticed, Pandu has noticed. So, 7 into 1, 7 into 3 and 7 into 5, 1, 3, 5 are the odd number, 7 into 7, that comes 49. You might have added 49 over here, that is 3 carry 1, 20 and 25. 20, am I right here? That is 4, 13 carry 1 and 10 plus 4. So, that comes 4 over here. So, when I have 243, I will not going to check on the other side, but sometimes it is good to check in order to confirm whether we are moving on the right direction or not, but most of the time try to ignore it. Do not check this one whether it is into 7, then whether it is into 9 is there or not. Do not waste the time in the exam. Just take a small risk over here, do not do this. I am taking the next one here, and look at the flow, 76, 111, 133, the difference is so small, it must be addition. It seems to be addition. Your 30 seconds starts now. Come on, you can see the time over here. Difference is 14. Okay, Pandu Babu, that is right. Come on, my friends, we will learn. You will have your own preparation. You will have preparation with your friends. Just come with me in the evening time, 1 hour. That too, alternate day I take the class. Look at this, Pandu defeated Aman. Pandu defeated Aman. He says 93. 93. Wow. Good, good. There are some area, Aman, there are some area Pandu can defeat you. It is okay. Tough competition between the two tough competitors. Okay. So, what I am going to do over here is I will try to find out the relation from here to here. What is that addition here? 4, 7, 11 carry 1 and 7, 4, 47 is the difference here. So, from here to here, that is 1 and 3, 31 is the difference here, and from here to here 22 is the difference over here, and from here to here I do not know. So, I will try from backward right hand side to left hand side. What is the difference from here to here? I can notice that there is 16. What is the difference from here to here? I can notice that the difference is 9, and I do not know what should be the difference here, but what I know is 4 square and 3 square. So, this is 4 square, this is 3 square. So, should it be 2 square? Should it be 1 square? So, let us check that. So, 2 square 4, if I take out the 4 from here, 107, and here it is necessary to check this one, this is 4 square, it is okay, and 16, 4 square, this is 3 square, and this is a 2 square, okay. So, I need to make this number minus, so 22 minus 4, and that comes 18 over here, and 1 square, that comes 1 over here. Therefore, the number which I wrote here is wrong. I should learn this from Aman and Pandu both. So, minus 18, I will go for minus 11, 100, and minus 7, that comes 93. Am I right here? 93. But how about this number? How do I get 76 here? You people have said, what is the answer you said? 93. Up to this is okay, but what I am okay, yeah, that is right, I am making a mistake here writing, minus 1. I have to subtract 1 from this 18, then I will get 17 over here. So, 93 minus 17, I am getting the right answer. Beautifully you people answer the question, right. Moving on to the next. Let us see that if Pandu in this question can defeat Aman, it is a speed. Whoever has the better speed and accuracy, and all the chapter, the entire subject and all the subject, they will be selected. Now, notice that the way the numbers are moving, I still doubt that it is based on difference, it is only 2 times. Can you see that? Closer to 2 times. I still doubt it could be the addition based. So, the very first thing I will try in the exam is, let us take the difference, find out the any connectivity with the difference. If not, then I may go for n square or something like that. So, your time starts now. Here is your 30 second. And I know Aman do not need 30 second, Pandu do not need 30 second. You people are so good in this area. So, once Aman sir comes, inform me, Mr. Naveen, Aman sir comes, inform me. Okay, come on. Sir, I know that you people will be able to answer this question. So, why I am confident? Because the very first difference I noticed that this is 27, and the very next difference I saw that 64, I know this is 3 cube and this is 4 cube. That helped me to strike that it could be the difference of the cubes. Anyone? Oh, that is great, Mr. Aman and Pandu, both of them simultaneously answer the question. 778. They are saying 778. Let me check that what is the next difference. 5 cube 125, is it 125? Yeah, that is right, it is done. So, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 cube 343. Do not check this one because we already got the pattern. So, here it comes, that is 8 and 7 and 7, 778, rightly answer the question. So, let me check that if we have, I will make this as a last question, it is very clear that what type of question is this, okay, or else my friend Mr. Aman may get disturbed. The next is his class. The numbers are big, but it is very clear that it is based on difference. Jumping is very small, 3300, only 700 difference is here, only some 900, 800, 900 difference is there. So, you can answer the question, answers the question. Which one? 8,000, 8,000, oh my God, the Aman, you have the so much calculation speed, but I think my friend Pandu would differ with you. So, Q pattern, so, what is the difference from here to here? That is 1 and 7 plus 2 9 and 3 7, this is 721, and what is the difference from here to here? That is 6 plus 7 is 13, carry 1, 9, 10 and 1 11, carry 1, and 41 and 8, 8 17, and from here to here 3 plus 9 12, carry 1 2 and 1 3, and that is 9 plus 9 is 18, carry 1, and from here to here what I notice is 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 0 and 1. So, here I am not getting anything. So, in the first line if you do not able to understand, then take the second line difference, and the second line difference here it is 6 and here it is 9. I notice that 96 is the difference. Here I notice that is 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1 and that is 102, and from here to here I notice that this is 8 and this is 9 8 17, carry 1, that is here it is 0 and here it is 1, okay, got it. So, again I need to go from difference of difference, this is 4 and 6, this is 6. So, I have to just find out this number first. Once I get this number, then I need to find out this number which I am going to add, I get this number. Okay. So, well done sir, well done. I am so happy to notice that if I am adding 6 to this, I will be getting 114. If I add 114 to this number, that 4 7 11, carry 1, and this is 3 plus 1 4 and 1 and 1. If I add this number to this, 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, and that is 9 1 10, carry 1, and 9 plus 10, carry 1, 7 and 1 8, 8,000. Beautifully answered the question, beautifully answered the question. With this my dear friend, even the one question help you or the practice help you, I request you to please press the like button. So, meeting on the other day, wish you all the best to all of you. Thank you.